that! Hello, hello. Anong pangalan mo?
Coffee Charm po.
Coffee?
Coffee Charm?
Coffee Charm.
Sounds like a coffee shop.
Coffee Charm. Bakit Coffee Charm?
Kasi po, nung 2 months pregnant po si mama ko po, nag-iisip po ng pangalan ko po si father ko. No, one day po, habang nagkakape po siya, nakita niya po yung 3-in-1 sachet po. Tapos sabi niya po,
Okay.
what if ito na lang kaya, coffee na lang kaya?
Well, thank you very much, Coffee Charm.
Maraming salamat.
I knew you were playing. I've been building this season a team of artists. Parang na-imagine ko lang is yung mga lalaban or yung magko-compete na may hawak instrumento, our musicians are playing. It's inspiring to see you guys do that. I thought the vocals great. Yung nag-ano sa akin is the question na what more can we do together? You have an idea anong gusto mo gawin, okay? So I'm here to explore, to enjoy, I don't drink coffee, I'm sorry, all right? Okay?
But he's full of charm.
Well, we're full of charm, kami tatlo. We're all charm right here.
Coffee Charm, I'm so sorry hindi ko umikot. Siguro kailangan ko ng coffee dahil hindi ko na...
Pindot.
Well, hindi ba ako gising? Your whole package is nice. Ang dinig ko yung gitara, ang dinig ko rin yung, yung boses mo. Sabi ko, talagang bagay na bagay siya with bamboo. Bambooistic ang style mo. I knew he would be a great coach for you. It would be my loss na hindi ka sa Mart team, but I'm sure that you would be a great asset sa Camp Kawayan.
Coffee Charm. Sobrang sakto sana tayo kasi ako naman yung dumadaloy na sa mga ugat ko ang kape. Unang-una pa lang nagtitinginan na kami ni Coach Bambo kasi naririnig namin na ikaw yung tumutugtog. Tapos yung tugtog mo, hindi lang siya yung basta pa-cute, yung talagang marunong ka talagang tumugtog. Oo. Sobrang nakakabilib yun kasi playing an instrument is also an entirely different thing than just singing. And to combine those two together, na nagagawa mo ng maganda yung pagigitara habang kumakanta ka ng maganda, mahirap yun. Halos nakaganito lang yung kamay ko. Naghihintay lang ako ng special moment na mangyari para pindutin ko na. But siguro natapos na lang talaga yung kanta na baka hindi ko lang nakita yung hinahanap ko. But I am so glad na umikot sa'yo si Coach Bamboo.
Yes.
Kung ano man yung mga moments na yun, lahat yun, iga-guide ka ni Coach Bamboo para mapili mo yun at magawa mo yun.
May nickname ka ba? Anong tawag sa'yo sa bahay? Anong tawag ka ng mga kaibigan mo?
Frappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Coffee Charm pa rin po.
Coffee Charm talaga.
Paano pag galit yung nanay mo sa'yo? Anong, Coffee Charm! Ganun.
Opo, Coffee Charm! Ganun po.
Charm. Well, you are the first Coffee Charm ever.
Yes.
That I've heard of. So, you are a welcome addition, an artist to Camp Kawayan. So, thank you very much.
Camp Kawayan has a Coffee Charm.
Okay. So, I look forward to working with you. Ano pang kaya natin gawin, right? I'm so curious about you lang.
Happy congrats! This is...
Let's tie it up. Wow, look at you. All right.
Coffee Charm.
Welcome to Camp Kawayan.
Idol mo daw talaga si Coach Bambo. Yes, how do you feel?
Masaya po. Na-excite po.
Yes! Naku, there's so much to be excited about. Ang dami pang gagawin, so congratulations!
Thank you.